See a special road? You can place your cards on that. That's from Pop. On the other side, we can make Duplo stuff. You want to see the other side? Here, come, let me help you. Yeah. See if you can put some Duplos on there. It doesn't come off, honey. You gonna build?
Yeah.
Good job. You put on some more?
Yellow.
Here, you did a yellow one. And do some more yellow ones? Alright. You can build a big house on that, huh? It's going to be a big table for Ribby. It came from Pop. Did Pop get this for River for his birthday? What a lucky boy.